From our standpoint, there's a few things that help us differentiate ourselves. Number one, being a 24/7 facility. So we have the opportunity to make parts around the clock here. So that's a big difference. A lot of our customer base, their forecasts are fluctuating on a daily basis. So for us to have some flexibility and being able to run certain parts on certain days gives us an opportunity that other places don't. So it's not just about how fast the machine can make the part. There's a lot that goes on behind the scenes in terms of what we're doing here to maximize efficiencies and so forth, whether it be how we're designing a tool, making sure to get absolutely as many parts off of a tool in a given stroke, all the way through to the cleanliness of our facility and minimize handling inside of our facility to make sure that every little piece of the puzzle is as economical and as efficient as possible. A lot of customers have a specific need in mind, whether it be they're struggling with quality, delivery. We're able to sit down with them and understand exactly what it is that they need and find ways to customize our service level to their needs.